In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Firefox mobile browsing app language. If you're not familiar with the current language of your Firefox browser, or you just want to make a switch, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. First, open your browser and then head over to the ellipsis here. From this, go to settings, and from settings, scroll down until you see language. If you tap on language, now we have quite a number of languages that you can choose from. Choose your preferred language. For instance, I want this, and by just tapping on the language, now you should see your language picked or with a check mark next to it. So if you go back now, you should have your Firefox in your current language. So this will not change the search language or language on the website. However, it will change the communication language or the current homepage language on the Firefox browser itself. So that's how you can change language on your Firefox browser mobile app. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.